Well guys, as you can see, we are on to another topic, and today's topic is going to be on creating your first PPC campaign. Guys, as I showed you earlier about PPC campaign, this upcoming part will be more of like the same as I showed you in my previous videos, this PPC launch strategy. So this upcoming video will be more of the same, but if you don't understand anything from my previous video, you can watch this upcoming videos and get idea, guys. So let's get right in this creating your first PPC campaign video. So as you log into your Seller Central account, on the advertising tab, here in this first column you will find campaign manager. This is our PPC campaign tab, guys. From here we can create our PPC campaign. So as you click on this campaign manager tab, it will bring you to this page, and what you have to do is we have to scroll down, and as you can see this yellow create campaign tab. From here, guys, you have to create your first PPC campaign. So after clicking the create a campaign tab, it will bring you to this page, and here you see sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display beta. So what you only have to choose is you have to choose this sponsored products, and this too is for those who have already registered with brand registry. This is for those brand PPC campaigns, guys. So if you are new to this PPC campaign, you have to choose sponsored product and click on the continue button. After clicking on the continue button, the first thing you have to do is you have to put your campaign name, and let's assume today our product is dog bait. So let's put our product name dog bait, and you can leave this portfolio button, and you can set your start date, and you can put your end date. What I like to do is I like to keep this end date to no end date. I like to run this PPC as much as I want to, guys. So but you can set your end date, guys. So as we come down, we will come here to this daily budget tab, and what this daily budget tab is, this is the tab where you have to put your budget and the amount that you want to spend per day on your PPC campaign, guys. So if you are a beginner, then you can start with around $50 to $100, but it really depends on your budget and the money that you want to spend on your PPC campaign. But let's assume we put $50 today, $50 as our daily budget. And as we scroll down to this tab, we'll come here to targeting, and if you are running a PPC campaign on your new product, then you have to choose automatic targeting at first, guys. You won't be choosing manual targeting at first. You will be choosing automatic targeting for around 10 days, and after 10 days I'll be showing you what tactic you have to use in my upcoming next videos. But for now you have to choose automatic targeting if you are running a PPC campaign on your brand new product, and if you haven't used PPC campaign before. So here as we scroll down, we come here to campaign bidding strategy. As I've already showed you this downs and this bidding strategy, so let me explain you once again. This dynamic bids down only is when you bid your product. For example, let me show you here, guys. We have to set a bid for a product, and for example, if you set $1 for your bid, what happens is if your ad is less likely to convert to a sale, then Amazon will automatically lower your bid. And if it's in this up and down column here, if your product is more likely to convert to a sale, then Amazon will automatically higher your price, and if it's less likely to convert to a sale, then Amazon will automatically lower your price, your bid strategy, guys. And in this fixed bid, what Amazon does is, if it's less likely to convert to a sale, or either it's if it's more likely to convert to a sale, Amazon will set a fixed bid. If you, so for example, if you set $1, then Amazon will set bid for only $1. They won't be lowering your bids, or they won't be highing your bid. So if you're a beginner, what I recommend and suggest you doing is choosing this dynamic bids up and down, guys. So after choosing this campaign bidding strategy, you have to scroll down, and you have to, in this create an ad group, you have to name your ad group. So what I like to do is, or actually our product is dog bed, and what I like to do is, I like to put only D and B. I like to keep our ad group name as simple as possible, guys. So after creating this ad group name, we have to scroll down. Here on this tab, we have to search for our product. Here you can search for your product, or you can search from ASIN or SKU. After searching this product, your potential listing will come here in this page. You have to select those products that you want to run PPC on, guys. And after you choose which product you want to advertise, you will come here to this automatic targeting tab. As we are running automatic PPC campaign, so Amazon will suggest us automatic bidding strategy. So as you can see, Amazon is suggesting us around 75 cents. So what I like to do is, guys, I like to higher the price by around 25 to 30 cents, guys. So let's do. So as we said, 95 cents for our default bid. So what happens if you higher your price by 25 to 30% from the one that Amazon suggests you, is that they will promote your product to more customers, and it will be shown to more customer better than your competitors' PPC campaign. And one thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to set your price higher around $2 to $3 if Amazon is suggesting you 75 cents, because what happens is, if you set your price much higher, then you will be making a loss on your PPC campaign, guys. So you have to only set your price higher by around 25 to 30 cents from the one that Amazon suggests you, guys. And you don't have to mess up with this negative keyword thing for now. And after doing all this thing, you have to click on launch campaign, and after launching the campaign, your PPC campaign will be eligible for eligible on your campaign manager tab, guys. So hope you guys got idea on how you can create your first PPC campaign.